Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the UI Lover channel. Check out this jaw-dropping, ultra-premium coffee shop app interface called Modern Ritual. It is sleek, it is smooth, and get this entire UI was built using Claude AI in Android Studio. Just look at how flawlessly we transition from this beautiful home dashboard right into the rich customization details page, over to the slick checkout cart, and finally, this clean, modern order tracker. We are talking pure pixel perfection here, all running beautifully on the emulator. Now, let us slow it down a bit. Today, I am showing you exactly how this interface comes together using Kotlin, Jetpack Compose, and clean MVVM architecture. Look at the dashboard. Crisp Material 3 typography greeting the user, beautifully rounded coffee category chips, and smooth scrolling item cards. When you tap on a drink, like this caramel macchiato, boom! Look at that stunning detail layout. We have got custom size selectors, milk alternative toggles, and a dynamic quantity counter. Now, remember, this tutorial is completely focused on the front-end UI. You can easily hook up your own back-end architecture later to match your taste. And some small interactive pieces are left open for you to complete as a fun challenge. But here is the absolute best part. In the second half of this video, I am going to open up every single file and class in the project architecture. Yes, everything. I will slowly scroll through the theme KT, the data models, and the view models so you can type along directly from the screen and get it running on your machine. All the graphic assets are linked completely free in the video description below. Now, if you want to skip the tedious typing, or if you want immediate access to the full, flawless source code, make sure to join our channel membership. Exclusive to members, I also have a full step-by-step guide showing exactly how I used Claude AI to generate this complete layout from scratch. So, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us dive straight into the source files. All right, part 2. It is time to pull back the curtain. I am going to open up every single class and file in the project. Just keep your eyes on the screen, and feel free to pause and type these directly into your Android Studio project. If you want to skip the grind and get the full source code instantly, or see how I use Claude with the Klein extension in VS Code to build this in record time, join our channel membership now. Okay, let us dive straight into the code. Ready? Let us go. All right, before we start cracking open these files one by one, let us take a bird's eye view of how this entire project is structured. As you can see right here in the project sidebar, we are rocking a flawless, rock-solid MVVM architecture. It is clean, it is modular, and it is super easy to follow. Let us break it down. First up, we have the core foundation. Inside the data package, mock data gives us all those delicious coffee details, while models KT holds our clean data classes. Right below that, in the navigation package, navgraph KT orchestrates our entire app flow, swapping screens like absolute magic. Now, look at the UI package. This is where the Jetpack Compose magic happens. It is beautifully split into screen and theme. Inside screen, we have got a dedicated file for every layout we saw earlier: cart screen KT, detail screen KT, home screen KT, order screen KT, and profile screen KT. And of course, the theme package holds our custom colors, typography, and styling to give it that premium look. But wait, how do we handle the logic? That is where the ViewModel package comes in. Every single screen has its own perfect companion ViewModel to manage UI states and keep our code completely decoupled. Finally, main activity and modern ritual app KT glue everything together to kickstart the app. Now that you know where everything lives, get your fingers ready, because we are diving straight into the actual code.